right, thank you. Let me just show you guys right here. This is considered a bull flag. So if you look at it like this and you look at the top, you see how this is a nice flag? This is a beautiful bullish signal. See it? Right there. There's your flag. Can everybody see the flag? Let me get rid of this one. See it? So if you're like, oh, coach, but it's been running all day. Yeah, but you know where it can't break below, right? So if you put your stop around 35.65, that gives you clearance to come back down for a retest and then a bounce. Oh, yeah. Let's take a look at SPY. SPY's still channeling here, still channeling. So we went down to the 200, up to VWAP, down to the 200. And guess what? It did not get back up to VWAP. So what is that typically indicative of?
Weakness.
Okay. So it was down, up, down, did not make the full cycle, consolidated sideways. That's typically bearish, but we're going to keep an eye on it. We're watching these candles. Now, this candle was actually bullish. This one got pushed up, bullish. Doji supposed to signal reversal, which would be this candle. But you can see the sellers keep pushing this down. That's why this hasn't popped yet. But believe it or not, this is stair-stepping up, even though everything in my nature is telling me, because of the way this worked out, it still wants to go down.
Coach, do you think it's going to play around the VWAP and 200 all day? It could dance around that?
Nope,
No?
I don't. Nope, I don't.
Why?
Because typically SPY will go either like this and then like this, and then it'll come all the way back. And like SPY doesn't typically chop like this for long. That's why people get hammered on SPY. People get destroyed on SPY because it's up, down, up, right?
So why doesn't it chop? Why?
Just because the way that the volume works, SPY is one of the largest volume stocks out there, right? It's constantly moving. There's 500 stocks that are taking part to make it change, make it move direction. SPY
because it's the index.
Correct.
Okay.
Yep. And here we go. Here's VWAP. So let's see now. That's what I was saying. So it actually went up. Like I said, bullish. Doji reversal, meaning come back up. Stayed green. It got pushed up. Like I said, it was, even though the candles were showing, I assumed we'd get down just because of the way that it was acting. But here we are again. What do we do on VWAP? What is VWAP considered?
Resistance.
So what do we do?
But
there you go. And where's your stop?
Right above it.
There you go. And now you guys are getting paid on that, right? And you move your stop down. Stopped out, boom, made money. You see how quick that works? If this breaks above VWAP, what are we going to do?
False.
Yep. And where's your stop?
Below it.
Yep.
Right below VWAP.
Yep. Otherwise, puts.
This is where we learn here.
Yep. Now, if you guys are 2-minute EWO traders, you don't care. You're probably still in this 2-minute EWO because it's still clear to go.